Do you live anywhere in this red zone? If so, we are tracking potential for severe weather and flash flooding in the mid-Atlantic on Thursday, August 20th, 2026. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's the full breakdown of what to expect in your area. Our storm system is currently centered over the Ohio Valley and is bringing steady rainfall to the region. This short wave will push eastward throughout the day. At the same time, a warm front is lifting northward, and that will create a great divide across the region. If you are in the warm sector, there's expected to be modest instability present in the atmosphere, perhaps 1,000 to 2,000 joules per kilogram. But if you're above that line, there's expected to be pretty much none, which will inhibit storm development. That demarcation line is currently expected to set up near Interstate 195 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike. For those near the Mason-Dixon line, this will also coincide with elevated wind shear. That creates spin, and that could even produce supercells. Steady rain will push into Pennsylvania and New York State this morning, and then an intense squall line may develop this afternoon and evening. This line will hold all the way to the coast. As a result, the SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that extends from northeastern North Carolina to the Raritan River in New Jersey. This includes Henderson, Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Richmond, Alexandria, Manassas, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Annapolis, Havre de Grace, Salisbury, Ocean City, the entire state of Delaware, Philadelphia, Lancaster, Reading, and all of New Jersey south of New Brunswick, including the entirety of the shore. The most widespread concern will be for damaging straight line winds, which is most likely in this red area that extends from the Chesapeake Bay to the Jersey Shore. There's also potential for a couple tornadoes, with the highest probability in this brown area of northeastern Maryland, northern Delaware, southeastern Pennsylvania, and South Jersey. This includes Baltimore, Havre de Grace, Wilmington, Dover, Philadelphia, Westchester, Norristown, Trenton, Toms River, Atlantic City, Seaside Heights, Ocean City, Vineland, and Millville, among others. There's also a slim but non-zero possibility of hail in this brown zone. Another concern is that PWatt values will be quite high, likely in excess of 2 inches across most of the region. That suggests potential for heavy downpours. That could lead to localized flash flooding, with the highest probability in this yellow zone that extends from Virginia Beach to New Haven, including through the Philly and New York City metros. These training storms could drop a quick 1 to 3 inches of rain across the region. In general, I think the biggest severe weather risk is going to be east of Interstate 81 and below the Pennsylvania Turnpike and Interstate 195 in New Jersey. Having said that, subtle changes in the progression of our system will lead to adjustments in this area. For example, if our warm front is faster and is able to gain more latitude, that would increase the severe weather risk as you move toward the New York City metro. Or let's say our shortwave moves a little bit faster to the east. Well, that would actually limit severe weather north and west of I-95. That is why nowcasting is very important and why we should keep an eye on the satellite and radar. In terms of timing, this is actually likely to coincide with the evening rush near Interstate 95, and that could pose big issues on your commute home. Now, I'm not saying you need to leave work early. I don't think the risk level is high enough, but you should at least be aware of the possibility of severe weather coming home. And going off that, this does not guarantee that everybody or even most people see severe weather. It just means that the potential is there. So miss me with the nothing ever happens. Please stay safe, and for continuous coverage of severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.